Welcome back to our Facebook page, guys. We have learned counting since our childhood days, teach you how to use numbers without any blunders and made them look spellbounded. First, write 0, 1, 2, 3 and all other numbers. 0 has been turned into an egg on a stove. 2 looks like chicken pieces. Candy can be drawn easily. Then color them. Your items are ready. Draw a curve on sheet, then feather-like structure is to be made. With the same kind of pattern, draw a face region and make an eye and your cork is ready. Make large and small dots with orange marker. Then with sky blue marker, make petals around the dots. You can use different color markers. I am really amazed at how easily and smoothly a bunch of flowers is made. Make small, medium and a large bracket. Close it from the top, make a crown on the top, then follow these simple steps for making body of the princess. Color her with your favorite color. Now, with the help of straight lines and by simply joining them as shown, you can easily obtain the pattern. Isn't it easy and beautiful too? Thanks for watching this video.